Hey guys! Today I'm partnering with Kreg Jig to bring you this super easy modern wall shelf. In the process, I also want to introduce you to the newest pocket hole jig, which is the Kreg 320. Now let's get started. Now I've already cut up all my boards and sanded them down. You can get the cut list and all the step-by-step printable plans from the link in the description below. Now it's time to make pocket holes. So let's talk about the Kreg 320. If you've been following my projects, you know I love using my pocket hole systems. Pocket holes make it super easy to make super strong joints. Now the Kreg 320 is the perfect entry-level pocket hole system. It comes in under $40. It is super easy to use, and I think Kreg has put in a lot of thought to make it user-friendly and beginner-friendly. And it's really versatile to use, and I'm going to show you everything about it. Now it comes in this really nice storage box, and let's talk about what's inside this box. Now the first thing is this little gadget. It tells you the thickness of your boards. It has markings for all the common thicknesses. That's a 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1.5 inches. You just place it at the edge of the board to verify the thickness. We're building with this board, which is 3/4 inch. On the other hand, this board is 1.5 inches. Now it also has the hex keys on it, which you can use to move the collar on your drill bit. Now let's talk about the drill bit. It's got markings on it to show you the exact location of the collar. In our case, we're using 3/4 inch stock, so we can simply adjust the collar so you can see 3/4 inch through the window and tighten right there. And then of course we have the driver bit. This is the same as what you get with any other Kreg pocket hole system. Then we also have some of the commonly used pocket hole screws, the 1.25 inch and the 2.5 inch. And then we have this guy, the jig itself. Now there are many features that make this jig very user-friendly and beginner-friendly. The first are these stops back here. You can move to adjust for the thickness of the board. So since we're using a 3/4 inch boards, we're going to move them to the 3/4 inch setting. Then you can use these tabs to place them on the board and clamp and drill. Now to clamp, it comes with a universal clamp adapter. You can adjust this for the clamp size you use. I love using my Kreg face clamps, and I just slide them in and clamp. This helps clamp the jig firmly in place on the board. And last but not at all the least, the coolest feature of this jig, variable pocket hole spacing. These drill guides and spacers can simply be twisted off and taken apart. So if you have a narrow board, for example, you can use just the 2 drill guides. Like this 1x2, you can use the 2 drill guides, clamp and drill your pocket holes. Or if you like, you can also use just a single drill guide. And this Kreg jig is not just for beginners. It is really useful when you forget to make pocket holes on a project, or when you have weird angles and can't use a larger Kreg jig like a K4 to make the pocket holes. In our case, we are building with 1x6 and 1x4 boards, so the setup with the spacer works perfectly. To build my shelf, I started making all my pocket holes using my Kreg 320. I have the full plans for this shelf, including locations of the pocket holes, linked in the description below. First, I measured and marked the long board for the location of the middle boards. And then I attached them using wood glue and 1.25 inch pocket hole screws. Note that they were slightly staggered, so it helps to mark the location before starting to attach. Then I attached the sideboards on both ends the same way. Then I attached the top and bottom to complete the large square shelves. To attach the small square shelves, I used a horizontal piece as a spacer and attached the vertical board with pocket hole screws. Where possible, I tried my best to make sure that the pocket hole screws were in locations that were out of sight as much as possible. That's it! Easy, quick, and perfect beginner build using the beginner-friendly Kreg 320. Now go get yourself one and start building. Before you go, I think you will also like this easy floating ladder shelf. Or you might like this project. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.